Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a conditional column using Power BI Desktop. In the beginning, I should mention that I am going to continue working on the Power BI report that I have already created in the last video. You can find the video link in the description. So let's start. I'm going to create a conditional column based on the amount value. So our condition is the following: if the amount is higher or equal to 8,000, like this example. Our value will be equal to 1, and if it is not like this example, it will be equal to 0. So let's start working on creating this conditional column. So let's start by right click, edit query. Here we have the Power Query editor. So we have here multiple uh, options. So let's click on the source. First of all, let's see. Okay, we have here uh, source navigation amount here. Okay, here we have, as you can see, multiple options. And we will use the add column, conditional column. So the Power BI desktop is asking if we are sure to insert step. So click insert. So I'm going to change the column name to amount condition. If I'm going to choose the column name with amount, here the operators equal does not equal, but we are going to choose this one is greater than or equal to. So it's 8,000, then it's 1, else it's 0. So let's click OK. As you can see here is the Power BI desktop, or exactly the Power Query editor, is adding a new column based on the value of the amount. Here it's less than 2,000, which is not our case, so it's showing us 0. For this, it's higher, or it's much higher than the 8,000, so it's show us that's the value that we are looking for. So I'm going to show you another method. So let's add a custom column. Yes, let's insert. So I'm going to name it amount condition 1. So if, let's do in this way. uh, if amount, so 1 or 0. As you can see, no syntax error have been detected. It's all good. So let's click OK. What is happening here? Ah, then I'm sorry, this one, else. Then 1, else 0. Okay, so it shows us the same values as you can see here. You see? So let's close and apply. I'm going now to show you another method, but just give me some seconds to apply changes. Let's save and let's do it another way. So new column, conditional amount column. I rename it. So if so data amount higher or equal to 8,000. So the condition is 1 or it's 0. The summarization we don't need to be sum. Don't summarize. The summarizations is don't summarize. So let's validate it. It's already created. Okay. So I'm going now to put all those one in this particular table. So I'm going to make it bigger so you can see which fields or column we are using, and this one is not count, don't summarize. Okay, just make sure that each one is not don't summarize. So as you can see here, we have created conditional column using three different ways, but it shows us the same values as you can see here. So please, this is the end of the video. Please check it and let me know what you want, what did you like in this video, and what do you want exactly to see in the next episodes. And please subscribe to the channel and comment, like, and share it everywhere. So thanks for attending this video, and bye.